Hello guys, welcome back to my channel SKS Physics, and today we discuss about chapter number 2, electrostatic potential and capacitance, and our topic is introduction. When an external force does work in taking a body from a point to another point against a force like spring force or gravitational force, that work gets stored as potential energy of the body. That means at rest it has potential energy. Consider a ball that it is thrown directly upwards and allowed to fall back to ground. That is because of gravitational force. The body moves, gaining kinetic energy and losing an equal amount of potential energy. And the sum of the kinetic and potential energy is conserved. That means final sum of the energy and initial sum of the energy are equal. Forces of these kinds are called conservative force. Gravitational force is conservative force. Coulomb force is also a conservative force. Thus, like the potential energy of a mass in a gravitational field, we can define electrostatic potential energy of a charge in an electrostatic field. Review of work. Work done by the force given by W is equal to Fd cos theta. It is positive when force is in direction moved. It's negative when force is opposite direction moved. And it's zero when force is perpendicular to direction moved. We bring a test charge q, that means q tends to 0, from point R to point P against the repulsive force on it due to charge q. That means charge capital Q and q both are positive or both are negative, so that there is repulsive. In this situation, work done by the external force is negative of the work done by the electric force. Electric force, that means repulsive force, F external is equal to minus Fe. That means that is a electric force, that means repulsive force, and opposite external force. Thus, work done by external forces in moving a charge q from R to P is WRP is equal to integration R to P F external dot dr is equal to minus R to P F E dot dr, because F external is equal to minus F electric. This work done is against electrostatic repulsive force and gets stored as potential energy. That means work done is the potential energy. This work done increase its potential energy by an amount equal to potential energy difference between point R and P, but the displacement is in opposite to the electric force, hence work done by the electric field is negative. So potential energy difference delta U is equal to UP minus UR is equal to minus WRP. Electric potential energy difference between two points as the work required to be done by an external force in moving without accelerating charge q from one point to another point for electric field of an arbitrary charged configuration. Work done by electrical field. The work done by electrical force is moving a charge q from point A to B is given by W is equal to F dot delta R is equal to Q E dot delta R in uniform field. When non-uniform field, then W is equal to A to B F dot dr is equal to Q A to B E dot dr. This result in potential energy change of potential energy we can denote in U, that means delta U is equal to minus QE dot delta R in uniform field, and delta is equal to minus Q integration A to B E dot delta R in non-uniform field. That means potential energy change is equal to minus of work done. Thank you for watching.